Alright, go ahead and circle numbers 1, 3, and 4.
I love math.
And the directions, let's look at the previous page. Analyze each graph, then circle the functions which could model the graph. So circling means yes. Write that word, yes. On the previous page. Describe. So there's a couple of things. So number 1, we have to analyze, and then number 2, describe. Describe is, how do you describe things? What do we use? Numbers or words? Words. Describe, the reasoning you use either to eliminate or choose the function. So we have to analyze, so we have to determine if we're going to circle it or not, and then we have to do some kind of explanation. Now it gave us a tip over here. What information is given by each function and relative position of its graph? So what's kind of weird is they're giving us a quadratic function here. But what do you guys notice that looks funny about it? There's no tick marks. There's no coordinates. Okay? So let's look at B here. I'm first going to recognize what type of form it is. If I think to myself, I'm going to look at the parentheses. Show me with your fingers how many sets of parentheses do we see? Put that on, put your finger on now your foldable. I know I have the vertex form, so I can write the vertex form right above it. Well, just like the vertex form, I have all of these clues. I probably want to find the H and the K. That is the advantage of the vertex form. That's basically going to find the maximum or minimum. So if I look at this problem here, I have an A value that's 2. Class is 2, positive or negative? And what does that tell us about our concavity? So it's going to open up. We learned yesterday that you can use your finger or an eraser for the next part. The formula must have a minus sign. We already have a minus sign, so I can just do covering up. H is equal to a positive 75. And K is equal to what? Negative 92. Whatever number's out there, just circle it. Okay, let's see if this matches our graph. Class, does this graph open up?
Yes.
This point here, the vertex, can that possibly be a positive and then a negative?
Yes.
Can it have the coordinates of a positive 75 and down negative 92?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we need to describe. Yes opens up and vertex in quadrant. If you don't know your quadrants, you start on all the positives and you go counterclockwise. Which direction, class? So this would be 2, 3, and 4. Right? You're going positive, positive. So in quadrant 1. So, if it is yes, it tells us to circle it. So, I'm going to take something and just circle it. Diego pointed out I made a mistake. It should be in quadrant 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That dot's in quadrant 4. So make
I love math. You don't love math? What's wrong with you?